Today we are going to see how to export your Java project to a Java file. So as you can see, I am opening an eclipse. So as you can see, I am having a list of projects. Suppose if I want this project to be exported as a Java file, how can I do this? Just simply go to file, click on export, then after type runnable jar. As you can see, if I type jar, it will show me the list of options. You can go for runnable jar. Click on next. Next, you select your project's home page. That means that the main page or the main method whichever is going to be invoked. For example, in my case, I am using a captcha main as my main method. Then after I click on the path wherever you want to store. Suppose if I want to store here, I'll write it as captcha. Okay, I'll go for finish button. So the jar file will be created to the destination folder. So this is how your jar file is created. Now think of a second scenario in case that if you are having a project that is on NetBeans. So as you can see, this is my project on NetBeans. So I can just import this file to an Eclipse, and then after I can export a jar file, because generating a jar file in Eclipse is farther easier as compared to the NetBeans. So what I can do is that I can copy this, or the one way is go for the property of this folder, copy the path, paste it over here. So this is my folder. In this I'll go for sources, digital clock. So what I'm going to do is copy this package, go to Eclipse, create new Java project, name whatever you want. Already have created one. This somewhere, okay, digital clock. So the project is created. In source folder you just need to paste that package. Okay, so I have pasted. Now to export it to a Java file, you can go to file, export, runnable jar, click on next. So the main method for my this is digital clock, and in the digital clock I am having one main method, that is 1 minute. So I'll go for digital clock. So my main method is digital clock. I'll export it as clock.jar, finish. So when I see the folder over my desktops, that is clock.jar. So you can run it directly and you can see the output of this. So this is how you will simply export a Java file in Java using Eclipse. Thank you.